Hello,
Hello.
my name is Kavisha Modi.
Hello.
Today I'm going to teach you how to run on treadmill and how to the other factors which are very important while you running on the treadmill. It's like the wearing the heart rate monitor, then what's the import of heart rate, and what's the safety entrance on the treadmill, what's the safety exit of from the treadmill, and many more. First we're gonna learn, this is the heart rate, this is the polar heart rate monitor. This is very easy to wear and it's very important to learn. And first of all, you see these are sensors. First we have to wet the sensors very properly with the water. So it will help you to get the signals from your heart and it will show you on the watch. First I will this is the polar, this is the dome side. You have to make sure this dome side and the logo should face the front, and you just wear like this in your t-shirt and you just go like this. So it will help you to yeah, you can wear on a clothes. So but mainly for the girls it's very difficult to wear on like outside. It's recommend to go in the washroom and wear it and make sure it should be under your sports bra. So it will help you, and make sure the stride should be properly fit, so it will help you to it will not fall down when you are doing the exercise. There are the monitor it will help you to monitoring the heart rate, because it will help you to establishing the safe and effective exercise, and it will help you to tracking your improvements in your fitness level. And now I will show you how to run on the entrance on the treadmill. So first we will go on the treadmill, and then first we will put, this is the safety pin. First you have to make sure you are wearing the safety pin, because without the safety pin it can be harmful to you if you don't know how to run on treadmill. And make sure the incline speed and everything is 0 and everything is working. This stop sign should be on the treadmill. If it will not on the treadmill, it will not help you to stop the treadmill. Now you put your two legs on the sides of the treadmill, and you press the quick start, and now simply walk like the simply walk. You are walking like that, and you can increase your speed like gradually. You don't need to increase speed too much if you are not comfortable, and make sure your incline is 0. If you want to make too much like hard, you can press your incline and you can go like 0.5 or 1%, and then you can just simply stop. You want to try this one? Yeah. So put your safety pin on the t-shirt. Yeah. And just quick start. Yeah. Now just walk on the treadmill. While you are walking on the treadmill or running on the treadmill, we can monitor your heart rate. You can see in your watch, you can monitor, because this sometimes the heart rate monitor in the treadmill, it's not good for your it's not right. So you just increase your you can see in this one, and monitoring the heart rate is very good for your health. And there are five kinds of different heart rate zones. It's like endurance, recovery, speed, and the normal workout we are doing is 40 to 50%. And you are comfortable now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can stop. Now you can remove your safety pin and you can just get off the treadmill. Do you have any questions? Thank you.